Hello students, let us continue lesson number 17 and the topic is work of Karsan Bhai. Mausari village in Vav Taluka in Banaskantha district has Rajasthan state's border on one side while Pakistan border on the other side. Karsan Bhai lives in this village. He was engaged in carpentry work. Karsan Bhai has been living in a nearby town named Tharad for 5 years. Karsan Bhai runs rickshaw in the city and takes students to the school. Today, Karsan Bhai has a two rickshaws. Karsan Bhai runs rickshaw and get employment. Now think and say. So students, some questions are there. So I am giving you the answer to those questions. First question is, why would Karsan Bhai have come to the city? So answer to this is, Karsan Bhai could not earn enough livelihood in his village by doing carpentry work. So Karsan Bhai would have come to the city. Second question is, what discomfort would the family have in the city? So answer to this is, Karsan Bhai's family would have difficulty in staying in the city. Third question is, what would you do if you move to another city or village? Answer to this, if I move to another city or village, I will find a job as per my educational qualification and a good accommodation for lodging and meals. Next question. Discuss about a businessman who came from village to the city. Answer to this question is, there is a large grocery shop of Shankar Bhai Srimali. He came from village to city. His shop is in the market located a short distance from our society. He runs the shop from 8 am to 9 pm. He also has two employees. Shankar Bhai plans his work before closing the shop daily. The next day, he makes phone calls for goods from the wholesale market. Some salesmen of goods come to the shop. He orders the goods he wants from them. In this way, Shankar Bhai earns well through the business of selling groceries. Next topic is collective urban livelihood. Neelam's maternal uncle works in a factory. Factory is situated in a huge campus. Various departments could be seen on entering here. Here is a factory of manufacturing pants and shirts. Textile and technical departments were found more active. There were more than 50 machines in the upper story. More stitching work with less labor could be done with these machines. Special machines were there for stitching and for putting buttons too. Due to this, more work was done with less labor. Neelam's maternal uncle worked here as a manager. He gave opportunity to Neelam to watch from where the fabric came to manufacturing of pants, shirts and their packing. Here, her uncle had a talk with a trader. The trader wanted fast work. He wanted 1000 shirts. He said to do overtime and get the work done faster. Neelam's uncle talked to them regarding overtime and extra expenditure which was incurred in this work. Children, you can see picture 17.5, cloth stitching factory. Now things to know. Work is done in 3 shifts in a unit in 24 hours. 3 persons work at the same place during 24 hours. If the work is done for more than 8 hours, then extra remuneration is given for every hour. Now next topic is retail livelihood. Jai Singh came to Navsari from Rajasthan. He makes chocolate here. He makes variety of chocolates. He works to make these items and supplies it to the trader. He keeps a direct watch on this work from collecting raw material to the production and distribution of the chocolates. Selling becomes easy when goods reach to the salesmen and traders. For this, he has to remain in the special contact of traders. Today, more than 100 people are employed directly or indirectly due to Jai Singh's chocolate factory. We see many businessmen around us. Skill has great importance in getting employment in the present time. Now, student, remember and write. Many people around us are connected with various work. They get employment on the basis of this work. One example is given here. Jai Singh runs a factory for making chocolates. For this, he will require help. You can also prepare various details about the employer and other details attached to them. So this is homework for you. Now you can see a small chart is given here. What type of employment and comes from where, how does it reach, and who consumes. And last is special note. The first is newspaper seller and comes from where? From city press. How does it reach? Comes by vehicle. Who consumes? Many people use it. And a special note, we can get lot of information. Second is vegetable vendor. So comes from where? From farm. Then who consumes? It is not written anything over here, so no need to worry. And the last special note is good for health. Now student, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.